In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language settings on the Shein app while using your desktop browser, whether you're looking to shop in the language you're most comfortable with or simply exploring international offerings. Switching the language can enhance your experience significantly. Let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll want to open your preferred browser on your computer and navigate to the Shein official website. Once there, take a moment to look at the top right corner of the home page. This is an essential area on the screen where you'll find various icons, including those for signing in, viewing your profile, or checking your cart. Among these, keep an eye out for a small icon that resembles a flag or a globe. This symbol is crucial as it represents your current language and regional settings. It's usually found right next to the cart icon and can be easily missed if you're not specifically looking for it. Click on the flag or globe icon. This action will prompt a small window to pop up, presenting you with various regional and language options to choose from. It's a straightforward interface that makes switching settings a breeze. You're likely to see listings such as Philippines English, US English, or France Française, among other regional combinations. Now simply select the region and language pairing that best suits your needs. If you're not sure which one to pick, consider what language options would make your browsing experience easiest and more enjoyable. Once you've made your selection, you'll need to confirm your choice. Some interfaces might offer a save button for you to click on, while others will automatically refresh once you've made your selection. If prompted by a save button, give it a click to secure your settings. Otherwise, you simply need to wait for the page to refresh itself. When the page reloads, you'll notice that everything has been updated to reflect your new language preference. This change enhances not only navigation but also product descriptions and any customer support you might require, all aligned in the language that you selected. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully changed the language settings in the Shein app on your desktop. Happy shopping, and may your online browsing become that much easier and more enjoyable from now on. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more tips and tricks to optimize your online shopping experience. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a fantastic day.